Hello, welcome to Math with Master. Today we are going to learn trigonometry, and we have completed successfully. We have completed 5 lectures. This is the 6th lecture. In the last lecture, we have learnt about trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Tan square theta plus 1 is equals to sec square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. So now we will do some questions. So 1 minus cos square A multiplied with cosec square A is equals to 1. So this is 1 minus cos square A multiplied by cosec square A is equals to 1. Now sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. Then sin square A is equals to 1 minus cos square A. So we can replace this 1 minus cos square A by sin square A. So sin square A multiplied with cosec square A is equals to 1. Sin square A into what we can write cosec as sin 1 upon sin square A. Cosec square A we can write 1 upon sin square A. For cosec A we can write 1 upon sin A is equals to 1. Sin square here and sin square A will cancel and the answer will come 1. So we have proven this. And now we will move towards the next question. This is the next question. Prove cosec theta multiplied with under root 1 minus cos square theta is equals to 1. So cosec square theta cosec theta multiplied with 1 minus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay, so sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Sin square theta is equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so cosec theta multiplied with under root 1 minus cos square theta. So we can replace 1 minus cos square theta with sin square theta. So we will write this under root sin square theta is equals to 1. Now this is square, so under root and square will cancel. So the answer will come cosec theta into sin theta is equals to 1. And now we can write our cosec as 1 upon sin theta into sin theta is equals to 1. Sin theta and sin theta will be cancelled. 1 is equals to 1. We have proved what we needed to prove. So now express sin A, sec A and tan A in terms of cot A. So now tan A is equals to 1 upon cot A. We know this, and now we have done this here. Tan A is equals to 1 upon cot A. Now here how to find sin A? Now we know that 1 plus cot A is equals to cosec A. Okay, so 1 plus cot square is, so 1 plus cot square A is equals to 1 upon sin square A. We can write cos square A as 1 upon sin square A. Now so we can write sin square A is equals to 1 upon 1 plus cot square A. Now we can write sin A under root 1 minus 1 plus cot square A. Okay, so this is how we have found our sin A over here. And now we will find sec A. To find sec A, we should know this. We know that 1 plus tan square A is equals to sec square A. So we can say sec square a minus tan square a is equals to 1. Okay. So now we can write tan square a as sin square a upon cos square a, okay, is equals to 1. Sorry. We can write this also, but to get it easily, we can write 1 upon cot square a. Okay. So now sec square a is equals to 1 plus 1 upon cot square a. Sec square a is equals to, when we do LCM, cot square a plus 1 upon cot square a. Now sec a is equals to root cot square a plus 1, down also under root cot square a. Now here you can, the under root will come to whole, and if we do it to numerator and denominator, it is also same. So here our sec a's value will come root cot square a plus 1, and down square and under root will get cancelled, and here cot a will come. So we have found all the trigonometric ratios asked in the terms of cot a. Okay. So prove sec square plus cot square theta is equals to tan theta plus cot theta. Now sec square theta plus cosec square theta. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Okay. So and also we know 1 plus cot square theta is equals to cosec square theta. Then we can replace them. Sec square theta as 1 plus tan square theta. So here 1 plus tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 1. This is our cosec square theta. We have replaced by this and by this. And now under root tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2. Now when we multiply here, do you know when we multiply tan theta and cot theta, the answer will come 1, because cot here is 1 by tan theta, and tan theta will be cancelled, so the answer will come 1. So anything multiplied by 1 is the same number. So we can multiply to tan theta into cot theta. We are just multiplying it with 1. Okay. We are just multiplying it with 1, and anything multiplied with 1 is the same number. Now we know here this is a square plus this is our b square plus this is 2ab. Okay. Here are a is tan theta, b is cot theta. So a square plus b square plus 2ab is a plus b whole square. So we can write it under root tan theta plus cot theta whole square. Here under root and square will be cancelled, and the answer will come tan theta plus cot theta. This is the answer. We have proved it. We will move towards the next question. This is the next question here. Prove cosec A minus sin A multiplied with sec A minus cosec A. Cos A is equals to 1 upon tan A plus cot A. So now 1 upon sin A minus sin A. We can write cosec A as sin 1 upon sin A. And we can write sec A as 1 upon cos A. 1 upon cos A minus cos A. So if we do LCM, we will get 1 minus sin square A upon sin A and 1 minus cos square A upon cos A. So we know that sin square A plus cos square A is equals to 1. Then sin square A is equals to 1 minus cos square A and cos square A is equals to 1 minus sin square A. Okay. So here we can replace 1 minus sin square A as cos square A and we can replace 1 minus cos square A as sin square A. Now here as it is in multiplication we can cut it crossly. So this will cut and the answer here will come cos A sin A. Okay. So if cos A sin is divided by 1, the answer will come 1. If we divide any number with 1, the answer will come the same number. So we can write, we know that our sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So we can write, instead of 1 we can write sin square A plus cos square A. Okay. So here we will divide this equation in numerator and denominator with cos A sin A. So here cos A sin A upon cos A sin A upon sin A cos A sin A plus cos square A upon cos A sin A. So here now cos square A and this square will cancel, cos A and this square of cos square A will be cancelled, sin A and the square of sin will be cancelled and this will be cancelled. The answer will come 1 upon sin A upon cos A plus cos A upon sin A is equals to, we know that sin A upon cos A is tan A plus cos A upon sin A is cot A. So we have proved this equation. Okay. So we have to prove this. Now we will make this as A. Okay. We will make sec theta as B. And here we have plus. And we will make tan theta plus cot theta A and sec theta B. So A plus B, A minus B. If they are multiplied, what will be their product? Their product will be A square minus B square. So tan theta plus cot theta whole square minus sec square theta is equals to cosec square theta. Okay, now we will not take the right hand side. Now we will open this bracket A plus B with A plus B whole square a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, minus sec square theta. So now we know that 1 plus tan square theta is equals to sec square theta. Then sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. And then if tan square theta minus sec square theta, it will be minus 1. Now here I have made the minus common from left hand side and right hand side. So I have got the equation tan square a minus sec square a is equals to minus 1. So that is what we have here. Tan square a minus sec square a is equals to minus 1. So this will be minus 1. Okay. This will be minus 1 plus cot square theta plus 2 into tan theta. Now we can write cot theta 1 upon tan theta, and here tan theta and tan theta will be cancelled, and now nothing will remain here. So minus 1 plus cot square theta plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so this is the remaining, and so here cot square theta plus 1 is remaining, and here cot square theta plus 1 is cosec square theta. This is what we need to prove. We have proved this question here, and that's it for today. Thanks for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you for watching this video. I will meet you in the next lecture. Stay tuned.